Hello, and welcome to Cindy's Corner. Today, boys and girls, we've got a story to review, and it might have happened to you. And then you're going to get to tell us about it. But this one, it happens all the time. And we're going to talk about how we can help it, okay? If we can help it. All right. So if you've got the book, Bugs in My Hair, go get it so you can review it with us. And while they're getting their book, go ahead and hit that thumbs up and subscribe button so that you can share Cindy's Corner with your family and friends. And I will always put in the description, I'll put links to how you can get the book. Because, if you don't have it, there's nothing like having it and looking at it and reading it yourself, okay? Or reading it with someone. So let's get started. Bugs in my hair. Oof, makes me. What does that make you do? Make your head itch? Okay. Bugs in My Hair is our title page. Our author and illustrator is David Shannon. That's right, David Shannon, the No David books. We like him, don't we? Hope y'all like him as much as I do. It's great, fun books. One day, my mom made a terrible, awful discovery. Head lice. There were bugs in my hair, and they were laying eggs. Lice eggs are called nits. Ooh, wee. See the nits? My head really itched. What the heck were they doing up there? He's not happy, is he? Lice-a-palooza. Oh boy, they're having a time, aren't they? Actually, they were feasting on my blood. Oh, the shame, the humiliation. Everyone will know I won't have any friends. This is how it felt. Oh. Actual size of a louse. One is called a louse. Louse is where the word lousy comes from, you think? I wonder how I got lice. From a hug? A hat? Maybe a sofa? At school? At the movies? From my dog? I found out a bunch of kids had them. Relax. Dogs don't have lice. It was hard for me to admit they had lice, even to themselves. That's just dandruff. I think it's sand from the beach. Put his head in the sand. It's probably ash from that volcano in Pogo Pogo. No. Other people thought they had head lice, even when they didn't. Just talking about bugs made my mom itchy. Her problem wasn't on her head. It was in her head. I heard about lots of cures. The head, shave my head. bomb the bugs with the strongest chemicals known to mankind. Mayonnaise? They all sound awful. Lice are really hard to get rid of. It was like they took over my whole life. Mom did laundry every day to keep bugs from spreading. If we didn't stop them, they might conquer the world. Bugzilla! This was war. Stinky stuff that lice hate. Magnifying eyeglasses, knit comb, eucalyptus oil, peppermint oil, tea tree oil, lots of oils. Mom read lots of books and magazines, and she armed herself with battle-tested anti-lice weapons. The party's over, little nasties. Finally, everything was laundried, treated, sprayed, comb picked, and cleaned. We went to a professional lice treatment place, and I was pronounced bug-free. Guess where we get the term nitpicking? Picking out every nit, because those nits is what hatches. For the first time in forever, I got a good night's sleep. That's right, get a good night's sleep. And then, what do you think happened? No, let's see. Oh no, they're back. What made them come back? So, we went through the whole thing again, and now at last, those awful, disgusting lice are completely gone. And this time, I'm not taking any chances. He's armed himself, hasn't he? Now, in the comments, or with your friends, I want you to tell me, have you ever had lice? How hard was it to get rid of? I mean, you have to wash everything, tie everything up, smother it, get all of those nits out of your hair, because those nits are what hatches, and then it starts over. And if you have pillows or stuffed animals, everything has to be done, or you're going to get them right back. So, even if you shave your head, they're going to come back if you don't clean everything. And then you do it again to just make sure you get them gone. You have to usually do it twice. Now, tell me, have you ever had lice? And did you lose sleep? Yeah, it makes you not feel well. So, that's why you have to take care of it and get rid of it. And a hair dryer, if you wash your hair every day and use a hair dryer, they don't like that heat. So tell me, have you ever had lice? What did you do? Share so that people can see, what did you do to get rid of it? And how hard was it to get rid of? Because we can help each other. All right, it's that time of year and they'll be all over. So go ahead and tell us in the comments. Have you had it and what did you do to get rid of it? All right. And most important today, give somebody that hug and tell them you love them because you'll feel better. Have a great day.